Coming in hot.
Yeah.
Everybody coming in. Go.
Okay, all right. So let's see what we got tomorrow. See what we got in the market tomorrow, right? Economic calendar, economic calendar. Oh, we got Powell. Yes, I almost forgot. All the running around, I almost forgot. We got Powell at 10, 8:15 ADP. So we gonna get. If you play the opening, just get out before this guy talks. So I think they're gonna. So I was telling Steve that I want to wake up in the morning to see the trend that SPY, that the futures is having, because if it's trending upwards, I was telling Steve, chances are they might just dump it. I believe that's how they play it. They have a trend before power talks, and then the opposite side goes. So let's see. So tomorrow, just be prepared for that 10 a.m. Just let's hope he doesn't talk too much, take too much Q&As, because you know how that goes. All right.
Lyman said they had jolts at half hour before the market too. I think he was putting that in the chat.
Oh, okay. So
So
Trump's half
yeah,
hour.
and that's at job opening. So that's theoretically a super important data point.
So 9:30, right on the bell then? You say half hour or
I
no?
think it's half hour before, so I think it's 9 o'clock.
Okay, okay.
Yep. Jolts is definitely it's very important. It's gonna affect the
Okay.
market.
So Jones, so
Angelina Jolie.
there. All right, so MACD red, right? RSI crossed already really hard. RSI is at pivot points where we could start trying to turn. We are respecting the 9. You see that daily red candle where it literally stopped, right? Green line right there. So we are respecting that. So if SPY holds above that, there's no reason why we can't go back up. So I would watch, honestly, obviously, I really can't even tell you really what levels to watch unless I knew the future of the data. But if we lose, this is a big level, obviously, right here. This 40,
Yep.
sorry, 504 area. So if we lose that, then we're going to shit. We're going 494. Yep. So that's a level to watch for downside and upside. I'll say once you clear 412, 10, you're good to go. Because remember, we went to almost 412, sorry, 512. So yeah, because we almost went to 514 on Friday. Yeah. So 514 almost hit. So if you clear 512, then you're good to go on 512 to go long on SPY, in my opinion. So those two levels, depending what the market gives us tomorrow. Now the Qs kind of has more chance to bounce only because I'm seeing day 2 red. Qs looks like it respects the 21 so far. It already broke the 9, it built and held under that. So it looks like it's the 21 buyers like it. Obviously, we got that wick right here, right? So easy short is just to wait till it gets under that, because as you see, we haven't got under there in a while. So if you're gonna short the Qs, if data don't whack it down, it will have to be around, what is that, 432 area, if I'm not mistaken. Hold on, team. 433 actually, like 4. So I'll watch 433 level. Once it flushes that, then Q should go down more. Longs, it will have to be around 440. What's that? 442? Yeah, like the high area or mid area. Yeah, I would say yeah, because we gap down. So if you can get into the gap fill zone from here, then you could start seeing some potential upside. But yeah, that mid level 442, right? Yeah. Around 442, 60, 65, around there, I'll say we could go higher, but it looks like it wants to respect this level over here so far. But day 2, so Qs look a little bit more chance to reverse because of day 2. SPY obviously was a little stronger today, I must admit, than the Qs. Um, we got the. I just hope it doesn't. I hope it double tops, bounces off this double top and reverses. So Papa Powell saves us because we loving this bull market. So I don't want this shit to go away. And we gotta go bearish. But the max are still positive. That's why I'm like, we're not bearish yet. Like if the max are were in the negatives, then I'll be like, yeah, we could be bearish. But this is just a pullback. I think it's just a hard pullback. Prepare us for Powell. Hopefully he says something positive and we go back up. That's what I want. Let's see what happens. All right. Okay. No, let me do Amazon first. Right? All right, so Amazon, we got, oh my God, Apple. Yo, what's this? One, Apple have back-to-back gap down days. Where do you see that at? Holy snipe. All right, so this is demand. So 168.80 area, watch longs on Apple. If it's gonna reverse after, bro, it's super oversold, bro. It's already, oh my God, how low can you go? This is crazy. Should we buy leaps on Apple?
Not
This
a bad idea.
way
I'm gonna wait till at least like 165, 160.
crazy, right? It's so low.
One
So
120,
basically,
baby.
yeah,
120. All right, the next year we'll buy next year 200 calls.
Mhm.
Buy.
So they got bad news. That's what bad news back to back. So that's why I think that's why I'm thinking like the more dump came in because this level was decent. We had a green doji and then bad news came in on Apple. So let's see. But yeah, I'll look for reverse. I wouldn't chase puts on Apple right now unless you're gonna try to catch the reject. So the reversal, let me see. Where lows is 170. I would say around there. See if it's really gonna go. I'll edit that. Um, Overall though, everything is so downside, but usually when it's so, usually I'll be a bear, but it's too oversold for me to be a bear. That's my opinion. All right, Amazon. Holy shit. What's up with you? You losing the 9? I don't like how Amazon is losing the 9. And that candle is under the 9 slightly and it held. I don't like that. So if Amazon loses 170, 180 area, then matter of fact, don't even scratch that. Just watch 171. What's that? I don't got glasses on. 171.35. All right, 171.35. So 171.35, I think is a good level to watch on Amazon because that loses, then we're gonna start probably candles are in these levels. So that's already like a $2 move to the downside. So and then this don't look too friendly. Don't look too friendly. The MAC also is red. And let's cross it to the downside. Papa Powell needs to save the Bulls. Bears is out for real. All right. Google. Google get back here too. So day 2, red on Meta. We could get a 3-bar reversal tomorrow. Hopefully green candle tomorrow on Meta since it wants to hold the you know what, the 9, the green. Look, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, 4 bounce, 5 bounce. So if it holds, then it's definitely gonna go higher. I will watch Meta above like for what's that 494 for the 495 calls. Let's see what happens. But our side does look semi. It's already been downside, so we should start bouncing around here, in my opinion, hopefully. But our side is definitely heavy. Mac been red. It's been red for a while, so let's see if it starts to turn. But yeah, definitely a little heavy on Meta. But positive is the 9 is holding that. So if it's true to that, then we should definitely go higher. Google, ooh, Morningstar possibility off the 200. Google, nice candle on the 200. This is a demand area. Look, guys, straight to the left. This is where we like to buy. Well, now we big money likes to buy Google. So Google is strong. I think I like Google out of all the names I spoke. In reference to the upside, of course. So I will watch this 133.60 area for possible Morningstar build on the daily. Yeah, if we could get 1, 2 double bottom, it failed. If we could get a nice build, so there'll be a triple bottoming out, hopefully it's gonna go higher. The MAC is negative though, but hopefully it starts trying to push because it's been downtrend. So downtrend needs to turn to the upside on that one. So let's see if the daily tells the truth on that Morningstar. We got Netflix, we got Tesla. Tesla, today might have been a good day for next week calls, not for nothing on Tesla. Because Tesla goes once, all right, so 174 is the key area on Tesla, in my opinion. So 174 holds above, then maybe we should start trying to reverse. But I must say, this is not looking good. Yeah, this might dump tomorrow more. Maybe to that 174 level, we don't know. But if it loses 174, then that's it. I don't believe in the bounce no more. Tesla's going down more. And we could try to short it. But we got two red days. Nice little wick. Nice liquidity grab on this daily. Had a nice candle area because look, it gets grabbed up here. Look at what happened. So we're hoping for some. Let's see. Let's see. We're hoping for some bulls to get in on Tessie around, I think above 185, bro. Let me see. Yeah, I think above 185 is good. I will watch 185 on Tesla tomorrow. But you already know, if we lose 174, it's over. Netflix. Netflix, 2-day red. But look, it held a 9. Woof, perfect. All right, so if it's real, I will watch the 60, what's that, 6? Yeah, 606.80 area for longs. The puts is obvious. The puts you have to go at least 590.15. I'll do 590.15, so it does go to, it breaks 590, it should break it with power. And it's gonna go down to like, for sure, the 21. So 582, that's not bad. Let me see. 589, okay, that's not bad. What's a little $5 move? So that's not bad anymore. So the Bears could be on Netflix for sure. Cause that doesn't, the MAC and the RSI is looking very heavy. And we just got a 10 change to the downside on this. I mean, no, you can't see that well. Yeah, look, you can't even almost, that's why I'm glad I zoomed in. Barely visible. So tomorrow, this is supposed to happen, I think. But let's see what happens. Too much data going on. All right, so I gave y'all that one. Missing one, wait, I'm missing one. Google, Amazon, Netflix. I think I ran through all. Amazon,
Any?
yeah. All right, back. All right, let me get to these names. Um, give me the list. Give me the list right here. All right. So first on the list, this one. I was gonna call this one out today, but I'll be honest, the market was like choppy a little bit, grinding down slowly. Like the most of the move happened during the like the pre-market. Then it spot dropped what, like $3 more, some shit like that. I'm not too sure. So I didn't want to
In a row?
call too many. And knowing that it's data tomorrow, so I was like, let me just chill. But this one, boy oh boy, if you want to talk about three white soldiers, that is one right there, my friend.
I was
Uh,
gonna,
Bro, with increasing volume on the daily, like that's a picture perfect bullish chart.
yeah.
Sheesh.
So 1770 pullback bounce potential. Let's see. But damn, I'm mad we missed this one. And I didn't even look at the daily until right now with you guys. So yeah, bullish on this one. Crazy because I think most of these plays I'm about to talk to y'all straight bullish. Let's see. See is Camping World of that these days. ACI is up after hours, man. Just goes with like Walmart, Target, a little. Oh, I like the ACI. And the fact that it's up after hours is even better. Because look how many red candles in this downtrend it's been, like a week almost. So after hour chart says 2040 gang, 20. This is not even know, and nobody told me. What's up with y'all? ACI. This, this is the one I was talking about. That's
Oh, my bad, bro.
that
uh,
shit happens all the time, bro.
yo, bro. All right, we got bullish. Look, this is bullish. Ugly as hell, but I'll take it. I'll tell you the bullish engulfing. So we have 2040. All right, so we're trying to go over here. All right, so I'm gonna look at 2045. So like I said, this goes in relation to supermarket place, like Walmart. Nami said BJ's he likes. All right, this one, look at this one. CW Camping World Holdings. Never even played this, but it landed on my watch list somehow, one day. It broke already. It broke. So I'm gonna put a stay 1, 2. Damn. This is 2. It's probably gonna go here. I'm gonna watch right here for pullback. Let's see if we bounce off the top of this candle. There's some rejection on this area. So let's see if we bounce off that resistance. All right. Let's see. This will camping right. There's people like going camping. I don't even know if that's what they do. They better do that if that's their name, camping. Let's see. Camping World.
It just gets intense.
But yeah, the bullish on all cylinders over here. Next, uh, actually, CLF again. You made the list. Planet. Oh, CLF look like a now. This looks like a morning star. Actually, only
That
thing
one's
that might
fire.
the only
Yep.
thing not even this is not even gonna negate it because it's still kind of high. It's still a little extended from each other. But yeah, this is a morning star, if anything, possibly. I'm gonna watch this level right here. See, I love. It loves that 20.5. That's the one we played last week. That strike price 20.5. So if you could get that again, I think you'll be pristine, my brother. Cause that
What
joint,
them comps do last week, bro? How'd they go? How'd they
bro, they
move?
went to, bro, we got in right here one of these days, bro.
I
Shit
remember, I
went to
remember.
21, my brother. And we was
100%.
we was not in this red candle for sure. Yeah, it was one of these days, bro. And I remember because Thursday and Friday came and I looked back and I was like, fuck, CLF hit 21.
You're gonna get weekly 20 and a half because it's
Yeah, I
Wednesday.
did the weeklies. I had did the weeklies. So when I called it in the chat, it was just the weeklies. They printed. I caught it like a little bounce on intraday. And I basically got it in and out, bro. I could have just held all week.
I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run that with you this week.
Look at this double bottom. Okay. You seeing this, my brother?
You
Nice.
just blessed me, bro. I'm already in this thing 60%, bro.
Hell yeah.
Yes, you
Do not be called.
motherfucker.
So, bro, let me show you real quick why. If you scroll
Big
left, look at
ninja,
this gap
yo.
up. Look at
Fucking
this
ninja,
gap up,
bro.
bro. This is a new play I got. I'm to look at these charts. So see the gap up, see that body
Yeah,
area, and see these levels that keep on wicking on and holding
yeah,
the gap, bro. Held the gap.
yeah.
Fire
So,
trick.
And like your MACD and RSI, bro. I saw the gap. I saw the MACD RSI. I'm like, oh, this thing gonna start turning. So I got
next
in 2 days ago
huh?
on the green doji. Yeah.
Fire, man. It's
Yeah.
all the criteria.
So that's a power earning gap up like Redler like fucking setup that Cipher shared with me. So I'm really stoked to kind of share that with you guys and keep your eyes open for these things.
Nah,
Hell yeah.
bro. Good shit on that, my brother. Yeah, you definitely called it going, bro.
That's
Like
called a
the
peg.
danger in the night, silently. Let me see this. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this level. No need for explanations. My brother's in it. All right.
Not next week 65s.
Let me see what I'm at. I'm in let's see here. March 15th, 65s.
Dog.
Give myself a couple weeks. Swinging, swinging, always swinging with the cam, the man.
Mhm. Let's go. Let's play. Yeah, man. It's crazy. Someone was asking me, yo, what you rather do, swing or day trip? Swing. Uh,
Hell yeah. I'm getting back into it. You see me?
Market conditions, right? Market
yeah,
conditions.
man.
Yeah.
You get in at the right time. The market gives you an opportunity, believe it or not, like to get out. You just can't be greedy. That's the shit. Like,
That's it.
Yeah.
the 9. Wow. Okay. So Warner Music, everything. We got a big Golden Cross happening here. Everything's here. Holy shit.
Bam.
I'm gonna lower this shit right here. And obviously edit that 35.88. You could go right here, sir. There you go. All right. Yo, that looks fire. This trade right here on WMG. Play got the. You see what's crazy today? The market, everybody be like, yo, it should bled today. But yo, Banks is ripping, oil is ripping, some energy is ripping. So look, we
Oh
got
my.
a bullish engulfing of Dave and Buster's. Like, come on, bro. Who else is going to Dave and Buster's? This is crazy. I haven't been this since I was like freaking 12 years old. I don't even see the commercials like that. All right. So we got damn. We just gotta wait till we break right here, this area. This is where it gets sticky. Very sticky. So if you get that break and the Bollinger Band is not that tight, possibly could. 65s. Watch them, boys. Let's see. Uh, FedEx is fired today. Low key snuck up on us. CBOE. Is this one right? Wait. I want to make sure I get the right one for you guys. All right. Was 190? Yep, this is it right here. Yep. So what happened today? We reclaimed the 21 with power. I like this hammer candle we pulled up in here. Yeah, once we get to 190, 130, she should be going higher in my opinion. The RSI looks compliant too, like look heavy. Mac, we already got a few red days. Start turning, that means FedEx, right? Well, we got FedEx. Nice. It's a flag here on FedEx, right? This is the pole. And it's holding the 50. It looks like it wants to hold the 50 and the 2. Huh. Almost everything is crossing here too, low key. Hell yeah. FedEx is fire. If you draw a trend line like this, going downside, you experienced traders right there, you already know. And look at the Bollinger Bands they're opening up. So hopefully it's not lying. And it goes tomorrow. If this goes, you already know, just go look at UPS. Because I know UPS didn't look as good as FedEx today. It could be a lagger tomorrow, that's all. Lagging off of FedEx, just FedEx going first, basically. 3M. 3M. 3M paid out them checks already. Let's see.
I'm waiting to.
See. Massimo. All right. Yo, 3M might have paid out them checks. It's trying to breach the 21. It kissed it today, and the RSI looks strong to the upside. Okay. And we got this Mac build nicely. Yeah, I watched 3M above the 21 for sure. Take the 95. I'll take the 97s next week if it really rips. All right, well, we got Mozzie. Oh, Massimo pulling it down. Like, you can't see it that well because so many wicks and shit, but this is a higher low, though, right? Yeah, higher low, double bottom. Off the 2. Yesterday was off the 2. The 50, sorry, the 50, I apologize. No, the wick, right? It happened right on the 21, I believe. Yeah, the 21 is my orange. So what we want to see tomorrow is you could wait until we crack 130, 130, but I think honestly, if it does retest 130, I'll say 130.90, I think you're good to go. I don't think it's gonna fade. So higher low on this. And look, Mac and everything looks like it's gonna do a stronger move off a downside reversal. So this doesn't look bad. I like this one. This one too. They both solid. This one just got Mazimi just got a nice little double bottom. So it's a little bit more stronger than 3M in my opinion. We got AbbVie. Some health names. I really like these health names. The macro break on AbbVie. Yep. All right. And look at it. It's doing it. Look right here. We got triple, double bottom. I'm trying to predict the wave. And we got the 10 change. Okay. So that means the bears are weak. We could definitely try to red. Is it gonna disrespect the Bollinger Band on the daily? I hope it does. But there's definitely room to go higher. Potential crack. Yeah, potential crack of that brings it to this 182. So that's not that bad. It's very trendy though. The stock has been going up for a hot minute. J&J. Okay, next. I'm almost done. I just got that's a lot of health names. I didn't even realize how many health names I got. J&J ninth hold above the 21 and the start about 50. Yeah. It's almost like a ugly. This will be like the head over here, ugly shoulder. Maybe this is the other shoulder building. Maybe. I'll watch it right here to see if it's real. 120, 160, 125. But as long as we hold the blue EMA, which is my fifth, yeah, my 50, it should be good to go. Because as you see, buyers hit a lot of the buy button over here. They hit a lot of the buy signal to go up because right here is very strong. It's not like it build or anything. So I just want confirmation instead of getting in right above the EMA on the 21. I'd rather wait till we get above here, which is basically like a 50% range of this price. J&J has been trading on around this channel. So, and I like how the Bollinger brand has a lot of room. So if this inverse, ugly inverse that it shoulder works out, it should be good to go. Let's see. Let me see. I got some names in the chat. Let me see. Oh yeah, Joe.
Think about BMY, Brody.
Which one?
BMY, Roblox,
Mine.
Boeing.
It was mine. We trade mine. You know, I wrote man. BMY, Boeing. Yeah, Boeing. I was talking
Oh, I
about.
was about to be going too. Nice.
Yeah, I was talking
Yeah,
about.
remember
What
Boeing was
amazing.
reporting some type of news or delivery numbers the first of every month. For all of you who don't remember that or won't remember that, we'll hammer that in your heads.
Won't remember it for sure. That's me, bro.
Remember, yeah, Boeing
I always
always
forget that
some
shit.
delivery
Well,
numbers, news, or
well
contract.
said, man. Well said.
So,
Yeah.
Steph, that's for you, bro.
The weekly looks fire too.
This looks like a fire cup build, bro.
Yeah, dogs. I was thinking maybe next week 53s because it might take a little bit to try to take out highs.
Yeah, because this bitch ain't friendly, bro. I'll be honest with you.
Fuck, all right, never mind.
You gotta give it time. So you playing it smart. But I like it. I like it. BA.
Bitch.
So I was talking about it today. So you got my approval stamp on that. I was
Bet.
talking to somebody live in the chat today. I was like, yo, BA look
I might
good. The 215s, you always eyeing like a mother. Let me see. Yep, I was eyeing the 215s for next week.
Yeah, let's run it, bro. I'll even do the 220s for next week, yeah.
Yeah, even the 220s, yeah, for sure. For sure. When did the numbers drop? You know the date?
No, so they just had contract news over the weekend, I believe, or was it last Friday that they had numbers? I'll find it. Like I'll just search like $ VA on Twitter and I'll see the news. But they should have some type of delivery number. They have a month from the FAA to fix all their like mechanical issues, I believe. So
all right.
pretty much the auditor was saying like, yo, like if you don't get this shit done by 30 days, you're not gonna fly.
Copy.
Silver. One.
Any other names y'all got?
I Roblox.
Oh
My
yeah.
bad.
Which one, bro?
RBLX.
Oh,
Roblox.
Roblox. My bad. I didn't hear you. My bad. Of course, I know that one.
Probably because I'm covering.
Okay. So my son is asking for them on damn Roblox. Yo, yeah, Morningstar type of vibe too here, bro.
I just don't like the MACD with the RSI could pivot right there, and then yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Like
the MACD. Honestly, they both look my bad to the downside. But if this price, we like to play off price action, right? So if this price holds, then it's reversal time, basically. That's how I feel about it. Because
I mean, is that what you consider an abandoned baby before the morning star happens?
Sorry. No, man. I think usually like so for me, abandoned baby is a pin bar that's green, that is below the bully and outside of the lower bully band.
Oh, that's right. The criteria
Whereas like
has.
crosshairs would be, it'd have to be somewhere where his crosshairs are right now. Like somewhere around
Alright.
there. It usually happens due to earnings or some kind of wicked event that happens that basically causes it to do a massive gap down, and then the buyers come in and buy it back up at that
Mm.
level. And then next day it tries to race back into that bully.
Hmm.
Cadillac Jack 101, my brother. Just a Cadillac Jack.
I'll send this
Oh.
to him. Thanks for never joining our calls. Poor guy. Nah, he's going through it. Man. He's been going through it. He's been
Tiger, bro. Tiger.
That's not Jack.
Nah, who we need to be getting is Yeezy. No excuses.
Nami clap. You guys have any other tickers?
Yeah.
Wait, now, is this the SE for Nami? Bollinger on the top side?
SE.
SEC Limited?
Oh.
Is that abandoned outside the bully for you?
Yeah, no, ask me on the below it because abandoned baby
Oh,
means you're
what's the
dropping it
under?
off. Yeah, dropping it off. So, but
William Tsunami looks good.
So this
I
is
don't know what
picking the
made me
baby
just
up.
check that.
yeah, if you want to pull up UNH tried to do it twice. But the thing is on UNH on the abandoned baby setup, I checked the weekly and the MACD and
Ooh.
RSI was about to cross the 0 line on the weekly with strength. So I knew it was a very risky setup. That's why I didn't really announce it. But if you guys were to pull up a UNH chart, you're gonna see two green pin bars and they opened outside of the bull and they came and raced it. So those are those two. Those would be considered it because when those opened, the ones to the right, Cam. Yeah, those two. Those two last two candles. There's three reds, but you got the two. Yeah. And so those opened and closed outside of the bully. But the MACD on the weekly for UNH looked like complete crap. So that's why I wasn't really getting all too jacked up on it. Also, I like to have that RSI to be down on that abandoned baby setup as well, which it was
This
for.
is disgusting, right? I want to.
Yeah, so Humana, there's one to the left, right? There's that started that stuff. So the gap down and there's the green with volume. See, that's
I'm gonna
beautiful.
watch this bitch tomorrow, bro.
So that's a perfect abandoned baby step and did exactly what I want it to do. So if you guys look at that one green candle, the almost like hammer candle it has to the far left that is on the gap down. Yeah, that one. That closed
Mhm.
outside the bully and then it raced back into it, right? And then it's going to want to retest the 8. The first thing it's going to want to do is try to get back in the bully and then settle and then retest the 8. Get one of those daily candles that touch the 8, and that's when you get the fuck out. So when it touches the 8. And
That's the
occasionally they'll do a pan W, right? A pan W race through the 8 and the 21.
You got in Pan W because of that?
No, yeah, that's when we guys were all talking about. Clap was like, "Hey, here's Pan W," and then I looked at it and I went, there's like a 200 bully outside there, and it's coming back into the bully. So this is not a banded baby set, but I just saw the pin bar settle inside of the bully, and I'm like, well, now that we're inside the bully, the next step is going to be the 8, and look what it did. The next fucking day, that was your guys' swing, right? The next fucking day, that was a massive swing where that fucking
Yeah,
Pan W.
he's talking about when we were in it before Pelosi dropped.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
copy,
that's
copy.
the
Yeah,
reason I
he's
got
talking about
into it.
that day.
That first green candle, that's when because Clap was like saying, "Hey, look at Pan W here," and I'm looking at Pan W on the daily. I'm like,
Yeah.
"We're holding the 200. Now we're inside the bully. We're gonna set up a pin bar. I think we're gonna race up tomorrow." And that's when you joined, Cam. That was the Friday to Monday swing.
Yeah, here I got it. You're right, outside the bully.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, he's right.
Yo, what you think about Timus, Cam? I'm still liking it. I'm liking the moves it's making.
moves.
The moves.
I like the way that she moves.
Oh shit, Team looks expired.
Oh, team is an HPE with the surprise visits, yo. Damn.
Yeah, they look.
Bro, I've been on Timus since Sunday. Like, Jesus. I was like, this shit looks crazy. And I was looking at the sector as a whole. It was fucking ripping.
I'm gonna talk
You know,
about that with you.
y'all were
AT&T.
on Verizon, AT&T,
Yeah,
and all that shit. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, T-Moose is fire, bro. Good eye.
And I think it'd be fire because Disney drilled so heavy today that it pulled the rest of that sector back. So maybe like we could get a nice bounce tomorrow.
Yep.
Because I don't know what the fuck happened with Disney, but they smoked Disney.
He was in those
My
puts.
fucking calls ran in the money. Like I waited. I didn't have enough patience, but
Nah,
I
was
took it
fire.
at
Look
the
at the
level.
volume.
It was the
Look at the
bottom of
volume.
a bull flag.
Yeah, look at the volume of your daily candles too with T-Mobile. I mean, that's
Yeah.
and you're in the
This
macro.
is fire.
You're in a
Yeah,
macro.
you had a
yeah.
big resistance area with that.
If you get a break like that, Clement, you have to take the trade, bro. Like,
I
you
just
have
get, fucking take my eye off of it.
like, I'll fucking kill you if you don't take that trade.
Or if you don't share that list, bro.
And
Say
recording
less.
ended.
Wow,
Recording
how-
stopped. Can we edit this, please?
It's
And my wife
Be right back.
No, I can't have my wife.
all
being
jokes.
validated to record
It's
a
all
video.
jokes.
It's all jokes, guys. Relax. Or is it? Wait, what?
Jeez.
All right.
Respectively.
And welcome to the team, Steven and Red. Welcome to the team.
Yep. This is us,
Yeah.
baby.
You know it.
Yep. This is us, baby.
Yeah.
Yo,
Uh,
we got any other ones or we straight?
yeah.
Straight.
They're
I'm
not.
lacking tonight. I had to go see the plug.
What you were saying,
What
Nami?
you saying, me? What was the one that you
I'll let
called
the
out?
rest of the group go. I don't know if Steven or Red have any ones that they want to have a check at. I don't
You
know.
guys are looking at Moderna.
I've been behind that for a minute, bro. I tried to hit that thing up yet today. It's trying to break this flag, huh?
Yeah, I was just looking at
He's doing some triangles.
Yeah. Triangles,
Look at those
triangles,
too,
the
with you
triangles,
earlier.
bro. The layers.
That's getting
Great.
tight like a tiger.
It's like a triangle within a triangle.
I
trying-
played it. If I would have been here, I would have came out positive, but unfortunately I had to roll, so I just had to cut my losses.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. But if it pops, we can, buy it. And if it drills, we can buy it.
Moderna looks fire, bro. Modern looks fire.
And Novavax,
So we're
I think Novavax, and
Oh,
Novavax is getting some love. Novavax is getting
backs.
so yeah. Check that chart out.
Yeah, I mean, Myrna and
Thing
Vax are
exploded
supposed to
to
be twins, or
60% on entry. It actually hit 100%. They started flying into these contracts and started besting
Oh my God.
these things.
I've never seen a chart like that before.
Yeah, I know. I don't like how. Yeah, it's fucking wild, huh? Dude,
Yeah,
that's
this
wild
back-
that chart, bro.
Wacky chart right here, my brother.
That's
I
fucking
figure it out
wild.
myself right now.
That chilling wick though, huh?
Yeah, the wick activity, nasty.
Yeah, but Red, I'm liking that flag too, man. It's only one of these days it's gonna pop to 100, and it's gonna pop hard to 100.
Mm-hmm.
That's all it's gonna do.
Yep.
I try to hit it today, so
Let's see what happens.
yeah.
Either down or up, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, we're still in a bull market because look at the daily that Nvidia put in. That should be our number 1 gauge on if technology is going to fall or keep it together. It ain't Apple and Microsoft no more. Look at Nvidia's daily, bro.
Yeah, I know. I was looking at that. I was like, dude, this thing's gonna go for another leg tomorrow.
Didn't even come back to retest at 8 or 9.
Look at the MACD. It's about to open up more.
Yep, you're right.
Yeah,
It's
Probably,
crazy.
bro.
Yeah, I saw it. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna leg up.
Yep, the MACD
SMCI is gonna fucking might explode tomorrow. It might go to 1200.
Guys, does that make sense though? Like a lot of money is still parked in Nvidia for it to be held up that high and end up green today and a shit dead.
SMCI, even A&D ripping after hours, bro.
Dude, SMCI is going to 12.
I don't know if it's because of crowds.
Look at this thing. Engulfing with a fucking hammer on top up there.
Yeah.
AMD did not do an evening star. AMD did a greenie. That's the most blessing of an evening star you can ever get on AMD. On any stock.
What about solar? Y'all think it's gonna come back or it's getting schmammered? Like
Biden,
Enphase.
Biden's done. Trump's winning. Solar is gonna go to shit. Oil is gonna be rad.
Well
Fucking
said.
Mercedes-Benz just cut its fucking goal of making all of its vehicles electric, bro. They don't give a fuck.
Plug.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Marvell is bull flag on the daily too, though. MRVL. I don't think there's really anything you should be scared of on Marvell besides the RSI being overbought.
except for it's up in the air on the fucking 80th floor.
Just trying to follow
That's
leave you at
only-
least paralyzed.
only slight concern might be it's on the 80th floor. Just slight concern.
A little concerned.
I like you.
Marvell is ready for a bull frag unless it breaks down. AMD is very similar.
All right, Cam,
Alright,
so
good.
checking out Revolve, RBLV for the same power earnings gap up. It's almost looking like a fucking lift like flag play. It's like a 1-day swing. You
A
gotta-
revolver.
it's
Nice.
gonna come up and fucking touch it and ignite its ass.
What was the one that you killed today, Nami?
Okay.
AVAV?
AVAV.
AVAV.
So I'm looking to try to enter, yeah, somewhere in that body of that candle tomorrow. Hopefully it shows just a little bit of redness and try to get in.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
try to see if this thing ignites and goes back up to the top of the bully.
What was another name? This one caught my attention today.
It's a nice flag, man. Flags all over the damn place.
Uh-huh. Yep.
McG looks good.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm thinking of it's interesting, man. All these homes and stuff look, I don't know, and like Toll Brothers. I've wanted to short them, but I'm not going to short in a bull market. But check out DRV, which is a inverse. So
Derp.
Oh yeah, DRV was a fire call on Nami.
it's just it's broken this. There's a huge ass trend line if you go back that's broken. It's come down. It's filled this like flag level.
Mm.
And it's at lows, man. And this is a bearish freaking chart. So it's a 3 times bear. So if we go up, that means the real estate market, Lowe's, Home Depot, and all that starting to go to shit here. Toll Brothers, Lennar, all those home builders and the XLRE will start going to shit. I'm wondering if this is ready to start going back up now.
Mm.
So that's a
Pushing
double tweezer bottom on a daily pivot that you have today.
Yeah, it does look like it go
Oh,
rip.
yeah, I was gonna say go to Lennon SPG right after. And then we'll
What is
cut it.
this?
See?
Steve?
Oh shit, it looks
And if
heavy,
you pull them
bro.
out, if you pull them out too, these things are fucking so goddamn hot.
Yeah, man. Nami's onto something.
Nami's always on the summer.
We also
pretty
does
good.
real estate, which is crazy, is these cell towers. So like Crown Castle and American Towers. I don't look at them. I think actually I'm gonna do that now. 'Cause those guys have like so much real estate because they own the real estate underneath the fucking cell phone towers. And so
Wow. Okay, I didn't know that.
really,
SPG looks really, really
American
good.
Tower and Crown Castle. I remember back in the day, Crown.
Yo, go. Can you do me a favor? And since it's still on record, Rivian will be my last one. And I don't know. I think we can get a fat ass swing on this. You can just draw that rising support if you don't have it already.
And then my last one will be Hershey's.
Chocolate.
I think it's ready. I haven't looked at these things on the weekly. I've only looked at them daily, but that'd be interesting.
Fire.
You
Yeah.
think that's the high or low double bottom?
I think the same for both Rivian and Hershey's.
I like the bullish divergence on Hershey's.
They both fire.
That volume profile line is going to be your biggest hurdle.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at next week, 12. But I think this week 12 will be smarter.
Gotta watch Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta see how-
Fire.
Tesla's the NVIDIA of EV.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
They came for Neo. They came for Neo. Lee went fucking nuts.
Yeah.
I'm in
Kinda-
an XBEV swing for its earnings. Got a deviation out.
Smart.
Wow.
Yeah, NASA was killing Neo. And
So So I don't know, these EVs are, we got EVGO tomorrow. I think we got Plug coming up here soon, right? Oh no, we already did earnings.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
did ER already. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Thanks for
I
going
think
through it.
ChargePoint's up, no? Oh, no, they had a bad earnings.
Which one?
No, ChargePoint just had a bad earnings. 5th
Yeah.
March. Yeah.
Yeah. Neo was a fire IV. We missed that one. Oh, good. Try to
Yeah,
catch
Neo.
one tomorrow. Y'all gonna try to catch crowd?
Probably, I don't know.
I'm kind of gonna be crazy. I don't know if it's worth it.
We'll see.
Neo did it today.
Pan
Appreciate you.
W, if Pan W goes to 315 at least, that'll be great.
Yeah, bro. I was like, damn, we should have sprinkled the crowd, man. Because I felt upside. I felt that Pan W and crowd both looked kind of upsidey. I didn't check out Zscaler, but that's the reason why I won the calls. You know, looked like I can break
Are you
that.
still in it? Nah.
Oh yeah, no, I got this 2 Pan Ws. I specifically for crowd for sympathy.
Okay.
So to give you guys a heads up, Thursday night is MDB and snow. So MDB reports and snow is going.
I'm gonna fucking murder Snow this week.
I think personally it's gonna be downside, so I think it's snow puts.
Bro, I pray to God I can short Snow to oblivion.
Yeah, we've been doing that with these sympathy plays. Baba was on Monday. Today was NW. So MongoDB report. So we'll be looking at snow on Thursday for our entrance.
Yep, and that's why Thursday and Fridays are gonna be some of the 2 best trades to trade. And I can't trade with you guys on Thursday. I'm gonna have these fucking auditors here. But that's
You
okay.
fuck face. I'm taking Thursday off, bro. I'll be here all day.
I know. Cam already broke the news to me, so that's hard to know. Sure. That's why you hear my tone.
Thursday?
We have to be a team player, Steve.
I might have to quit the job.
Way to be a compliance officer instead of a team player, bro.
I think they leave after like 1 or 2, bro. So if I can catch like the last 2 guys, I will.
All right, God, let's just rack the last 15, bro.
Thanks for everything.
Lockheed Martin, you called that shit earlier, bro. That shit ripped. I remember you said look at LMT.
Yeah, I just checked
I
LMT.
was talking about both. Let me see how both look, because I mentioned both.
Right shoulder on Lockheed is almost done.
Damn, yesterday was the day to get in, but yep, it still looks strong.
Nah, bro.
Right after BA.
Today. So, I mean, it's even better to get in once this neckline already broke on the right shoulder. It just needs to go to 450 now.
Mock turtleneck over. Yeah.
Yeah. RTX looks good too, double bottom on the daily. Off of the highs of this gap up.
There's that same play. Actually, I've been eyeing RTX for this thing. Seifer. There it is again. There's red there. There's a reason why I went to planet. There it is. It's showing up. It just keeps on showing up over and over and over again. As long as we hold up.
One of those things.
It is.
Wait, Redler spoke about RTX?
No, I'm just doing what you sent me, bro. What are we looking
The
for?
rock.
We're looking for a gap up, and we're trying to make sure that these candles start holding the body of the initial gap up candle. And this is
That's
a
very
reason
true.
why in the planet.
Yeah, make sure they don't give back 50%.
Those wicks are holding the level of that gap of the body.
Yeah.
So,
He's giving out so many fucking gems, man.
yep. Just gotta put them into practice.
Just how to think. Somebody can teach you how to think in this shit, bro, and you adapt to it. It's a wrap. Like it's
Makes
over.
sense. These guys ran it to a certain level and they keep on defending and protecting that level. Just basic price action, huh?
Sir.
Fulfilled his obligation for that gap fill now, so it's just free balling.
Wait, I want
That's
to.
the right shoulder, right, on LMC.
I gotta attend to some food, gentlemen. Cam, appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, take it easy.
Can't burn
Later.
All right, later.
Hey, love looks, yeah, love looks fire.
Mm-hmm. That's it.
LeBron. Sure.
I'll see y'all in the morning, gang.
GG, bro.
Later.
All right, man.
See you on Futures Red. Bye.
I'll see you.